Nick, we're getting to the tail end of Oshkosh. It's Friday. The big finale night air show is tomorrow night. Weather's gorgeous. Everything's going great, and we get to look at pretty airplanes. Tell me what's happening with the Speedster project. We've seen it in bits and pieces previously, but you're getting ready for flight test.
Yeah, absolutely. So we've actually done all of our ground testing, all of our taxi testing. We were going to shoot for our first flight test before the show, and the way the weather was working out, it wasn't worth the risk. So we're going to get our numbers here coming up in the coming months and make sure that they match our expectations. The ground handling has shown that it handles really well. You know, it's got the wide track landing gear and the large vertical. It's a steel tube fuselage, all aluminum wings. As long as we get the test data we expect and want, we hope to be manufacturing by October or November of this year.
What kind of numbers are you expecting?
We're looking at 49 knot stall dirty, 58 to 59 knots clean, cruise of 120 to 130 knots. We've got our VNE set to 165 knots. It is aerobatic, +6, -3.
Okay.
So we wanted some margin on the VNE that if somebody got in over their heads, we have a little bit of margin there.
Well, it's got a really great classic look, and of course, let's face it, you guys are all about the classics because you've done the classic Jenny and you've done the Ryan STL, two stunning airplanes who are just icons of their period. And yet, here we go, we're not quite scale, we're off classic, but classic look, and it's pretty.
Thank you. That was the big thing. We started getting into this thinking, man, let's make it pure classic, and then we started, we want a modern prop, we want some carbon fiber accents, we want a modern tailwheel. And so whatever people see in this airplane is what it is. We get a mystery ship, we get GB. The builder isn't confined to a box. It's not a replica. It's whatever they want.
So how's it powered?
So it's powered by a Verner Scarlet 9S. They say it's 158 horsepower, but I'm going to tell you now, it pulls a lot harder. It feels a lot torquier. So we're swinging a 76-inch ground adjustable propeller on there. Man, it's just a cool sounding engine, direct drive. What's not to love? I've been telling people it's like getting out of your Honda Civic and hopping into your muscle car, and you turn it on and that vibration and that shot of adrenaline starts, and it's a cool engine.
Beautiful. What's it going to cost?
So the firewall back kit is $36,000. The Verner installation package, which is cowl, engine mount, hardware, baffle, stuff like that, that's $4,900. So all in, as you see this airplane with the new instrumentation, new engine, new propeller, new everything, you're looking at $80,000 to $85,000 all in.
Not bad. Tell me about the kit.
So the kit's a pre-welded fuselage and CNC cut skins for the wings, pre-stamped ribs. Once the spar is built, it takes a day and a half to skin a wing, one person. It doesn't require two people. All the fiberglass is molded in-house, and it's a very simple task to put on the fiberglass. All you got to do is adhere the formers to the fuselage, and then the fiberglass adheres to those formers, and so you get a very strong, very simple, very fast building shape.
Estimate on construction time?
Construction time, I've been telling people 1,200 hours. People that are familiar with this design have told me that it's closer to 1,000, but I don't want to oversell the product. I want to be realistic. So about 1,200 hours.
And available October, November-ish?
Yeah, so we're taking reservations now. Of course, the details are on the website for that, but we're going to start manufacturing October, November, and lead times are usually about 6 months.
If function follows form, in this case, it's going to be a rocket ship, so it'd be great.
Well, thank you very much.
We thank you so much, Nick.
Thank you.
Keep us up to date, please.
Absolutely, and anyone looking for more information can visit timbertigeraircraft.com or our Facebook page or our YouTube channel as well.
Well, hello, fellow pilot. I'm John King.
And I'm Martha King.
You know, we've all had our flying lives disrupted lately.
Well, King Schools is here to help you stay up to date with courses that you can access on your desktop, iPad, or iPhone. If you'd like a refresher or just want to expand your aviation horizons, we have a course for you.
So head over to kingschools.com/Rusty today for details.